Namaste friend, let us check how easily we can find the cube of this number using some trick. I am writing the answer like this. As you know, 2 cube is 8. I am writing 8 in the first place and 8 in the last place, and in between I am applying some trick and writing this as 16 plus 8 24. 4 is here, 2 will be carry forward, again 16 plus 8 24 plus 2 26, 6 will be here, 2 will be carry forward, and then 8 plus 2 is 10. Now the final answer is 10648. Isn't it so amazing? Let us try to solve the cube of this number. I am writing the answer like this. As you know, 4 cube is 64, 1 cube is 1, and I am applying some trick and calculating this as 4 into 3 12 and 12 into 4 48. Hence the final answer is 1124864. Now I hope you all are too much excited to know the trick to solve the cube of these numbers. Welcome to infinitypimath. Today we are going to discuss about another amazing trick using which you can find the cube of any two-digit numbers within few seconds. Let us divide the entire trick into 4 parts, and in each part we will discuss about a trick to find the cube of one particular type of two-digit number. Type 1. Two-digit numbers starting with digit 1. Let us consider a number 12 whose cube we want to find. Then we can write the answer like this. As we know, 1 cube is 1 and 2 cube is 8. Now we can write this digit here, and the square of this digit is 4. Now simply double this digit. Hence 2 cross 2 is 4 and 4 cross 2 is 8. Now add all those digits. This is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Write 2 here and 1 will be carry forward. Then 2 plus 1 3 plus 4 is 7 and 1 is here. And the answer is 1728. Let us take another example. 16 cube. We can write the answer like this. Now 1 cube is 1. 6 cube is 216. And here we can write the digit 6, and in this place we'll write the square of this number, that is 36. Now let us double this number. 6 into 2 is 12 and 36 into 2 is 72. Now we have to add all these numbers. Here we need to remember that only one single digit we can bring it down. So we can write it here 6, and this 21 will be carry forward, and while adding all these numbers we can write 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 2 9. As we have already discussed, only this unit place digit we can bring it down, so I can write 9 here. And now this side it will be 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 will be carry forward, and we'll add again 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, so 0 will write here, 1 will be carry forward, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, this 3 we can write here, 3 plus 1 is 4. Hence the answer is 4096. I hope you understood this trick. Let us try to find the cube of another number, that is 13 cube. We can write the answer like this. As you know, 1 cube is 1, 3 cube is 27. We have to write this digit here, and 3 square is 9. Now we need to double this number, that is 3 into 2 is 6 and 9 into 2 is 18. Now let us add all these numbers. As we have already discussed, we can only bring only one digit here. Then I can write 7 here, 2 will be carry forward, then this number will become 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 18 is 29. Only one digit we can bring it down, then I can write 9 here and 2 will be carry forward. then we can write 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 6 11. We can write only one digit here and 1 will be carry forward. Then this number is 1 plus 1 2. Hence the answer is 2197. Type 2. Two digit numbers ending with digit 1 like 21, 31, 41, 51 like this 91. Let us take an example of 31 cube. We can write the answer as like this and we'll start the calculation from this side. As you know, 1 cube is 1, 3 cube is 27. We'll write the digit 3 here and 3 square is 9. Now we need to double this digit, that is 6, and this is 8. Now let us add all those digits. We will bring 1 down here. 6 plus 3 is 9. Here 9 plus 18 is 27. We can only write 7 here. 2 will be carry forward. Hence the answer is 27 plus 2 is 29. Hence the cube of 31 is 29791. Let us take another example, 51 cube. We can write the answer like this. We'll start from here, that is 1 cube is 1, 5 cube is 125. Now we can write the digit 5 here. 5 square is 25. We need to double this digit. 5 into 2 is 10 and 25 into 2 is 50. Let us add all those digits. As we know, we can only bring one digit below. So here I can write 1. 10 plus 5 is 15. I can write only 5 here. 1 will be carry forward. Here 5 plus 1, 6 plus 0 is 6. And 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 will be carry forward. 125 plus 7 is 132. Hence the answer is 132651. Now I hope you understood this trick. Please find the cube of 61 and post your answer in the comment box. Now let us discuss the third type of numbers where the digits are repeated. For example, the numbers are 22 or 33 or 44 like this up to 99. Let us try to find the cube of a number 22. We can write the answer like this. 2 cube is 8 and 2 cube is 8. We'll write 8 also here, 8 also here, and the double of 8 is 16 and double of 8 is 16. Now simply add all these numbers. As we know, we can only bring one digit, then we can write 8 here. 16 plus 8 is 24. We can only write one digit, that is 4 here. 2 will be carry forward. Then 16 plus 8, 24 plus 2, 26. We can write only one digit, that is 6 here. 2 will be carry forward. 8 plus 2 is 10. Hence the answer is 10648. Let us try to find the cube of 44. We can write the answer like this. 4 cube is 64. 4 cube is 64, 64 and 64. As we know, 64 double is 128. We'll write 128 like this. Now let us add all those numbers, and for this kind of cube we know only one digit we can bring it down. Then we can write 4 here. 6 will be carry forward. Then we can write this as 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. We'll write 8 here. 1 will be carry forward. Then 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 2 9. And this one, this will be become 19. 19 will write here. Then this will become 9 plus 4 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. Only one digit we can write here. 2 will be carry forward. Then 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 6 9. 9 plus 2 11. And 1 will carry forward here and it will become 2 1. Then we can write 21 here. This is 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 2 is 8. Hence the answer is 85184. Here we will discuss the trick to find the cube of any kind of 2-digit numbers. For example, 24 cube. We can write the answer like this, and as we know, 2 cube is 8, 4 cube is 64. Now let us multiply 2 into 4 into 3, that is 2 into 4 is 8 into 3 is 24, and with this number multiply with this digit, that is 24 into 2 is 48, and with this number multiply this digit 4, and 24 into 4 is 96. Now let us write the answer like this. As we have already discussed, we can only write one digit here, then 6 will be carry forward. 96 plus 6 is 102. Then we can write only 2 here. 10 will be carry forward. 48 plus 10 is 58. We can write only one digit, that is 8 here. 5 will be carry forward. 8 plus 5 is 13. Then the answer is 13824. Let us try to find the cube of another number, that is 52 cube. So we can write the answer like this. Now 5 cube is 125. 2 cube is 8. Let us multiply 5 into 2 into 3, that is 30. Now 30 multiplied by 5 is equal to 150, and 30 multiplied by 2 is equal to 60. And the final answer is, we have to write only one digit here, that is 8. Then from this we can write only one digit here, that is 0. 6 will be carry forward. 150 plus 6 is 156. We can write only one digit here, 6. 15 will be carry forward, and the answer is 5 plus 5 is 10. 0, 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, 1. Hence the answer is 140608. Now let us learn one bonus trick using which we can find the cube of some special 3-digit numbers within few seconds. Let us learn this trick for the 3-digit numbers having 0 in between digits. For example, the digits from 101 up to 109. Let us find the cube of 102. Let us write the answer like this. I am marking these 2-digit numbers. Hence, we need to remember to bring 2-digit numbers in the answer. 1 cube is 1 and 02 cube is 8. But we have to write 2 digits. So we are writing 08. Now multiply 1 into 02 into 3, that is 6. But we have to write 2 digits. So I am writing 06. Now multiply this digit with this. 6 into 2 is 12. So we can write only 2 digit here. Hence the answer is 1061208. Let us try to find the cube of 104. We can write the answer like this. As 1 cube is 1, 04 cube is 64. We can write 2 digits here. Then we can multiply 1 into 04 into 3, that is 12, and we have to write 2 digits. 12 into 4, that is 48. We have to write 2 digits here. Hence the answer is 1124864. Let us take an example of some bigger numbers, that is 105 cube. We can write the answer like this. 1 cube is 1. 05 cube is 125. As we know, we can write only 2 digits here. 1 will be carry forward. Then 1 into 05 into 3, that is 1 into 5 into 3 is 15. We can write 2 digit here. Then 15 into 5, that is 75. Hence the answer is, we can write 5, 2. 5 plus 1 will be 6. Then 7. This is 5, 1, 1. 1, 1, 5, 7, 6, 2, 5. If you like all these tricks, then please like this video and share this video as much as possible. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, then please subscribe to this channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon for all the upcoming notifications. If you want to learn the square trick, then the link is in the description and I button also. Please check them. Thanks a lot for your time. Until next time, take care and bye bye.